I'm going to guide you on how to remove login password in Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom there. Then click on your Windows icon. Then you'll go to settings at the top right corner. Then once you are in settings, you are going to go to accounts. Then it will bring you to your accounts. On your left, you are going to see options here. So you are going to go to the third option, sign in option. Then under sign in options, you are going to see password here. So just click on it. Then change. Then now you need to enter your current password. So I'm going to do that. Then click on next. Then you can now see change your password. Because you want to remove your Windows login password, you are just going to leave it blank. New password, just leave it blank. Confirm password and password hint, just leave them blank, and then click on next. Then finish. So by doing so, when you will be logging into your Windows, you are not going to be asked for password. It will just log in into your Windows automatically. So that's it, guys. That's how you can remove Windows password in Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.